fresh buns.
You can use this bun recipe for great steak sandwiches or to make your best burger buns.
How big are your balls?
This easy burger bun recipe or baguette recipe can be whipped together in just a matter of minutes while you're putting together the rest of your dish. Oh, look at that. Nice and golden.
You want some?